Hi guys, welcome to the Fly Run channel. It's my first video actually, so like and subscribe. I guess that's what those YouTubers say. But we're going to be talking about fishing the upstream nymph today, the classic upstream nymph. It's a really great, versatile method. If you're new to fishing, if you're new to fly fishing rivers, definitely a method that I recommend you learn because it's very protective, catches lots of fish. So it's very early season and we're out on the river quite close to my house. It's a Friday and I finished work a little bit early and I thought I'd get out. We have a 7-foot 3-weight rod, a leader of about 8-9 feet and a single size 16 tungsten bead pheasant tail nymph. Not sure if you can see that. And then my fly line has a welded loop opposed to a braided loop. Sometimes you have a braided loop and then you have like a little bright orange bit of plastic that kind of covers the braided loop. I don't have that. So I've used a little bit of this like a paint pen just to kind of paint it orange to give a little bit more context. No, sorry, not context, give it a little bit more visibility. Someone just drove past on a motorbike and yeah, made me lose my train of thought. So it's this pool that I'm going to be fishing through. This pool is ideal. It's got a nice like steady pace, especially this time of year. Some nice foam lanes coming down the centre of it. So you can expect to find fish all along there, up until the fast water as well. Okay, so we've just got into the river now. We're going to fish all along this seam here up until the fast water. You expect to find fish anywhere along here really. I feel like it gets fairly deep in that middle part there, so that'll be interesting to see if there's anything there. So just have a nice couple of flicks close by. Always handy. Now you've got to watch that mini con, little bit of orange sighter or your braided loop. And now what we're looking for is any stops or pauses, because that can indicate a fish is taken. Keep watching it, keep watching it, keep watching it. Oh, might have been the bottom, wasn't sure. Oh, there we go, straight away. See the indicator there, only just stopped, not a massive fish. Small little wild brown trout. A small little stream close to my house. There you go, checking back. So just letting that drift down, that nymph, nice and naturally. Keeping in touch with the fly. Oh. And again, see, this just shows you how effective this method can be. This is a nice fish as well, especially for this stream. Now look at that, that is a great sized trout. Okay, so you've just seen how effective this method can be. I've had 2 fish in what, like half a dozen casts. You just need to watch this little bright coloured indicator on the end of your fly line like a hawk. That was a good cast. That looks like a place where a fish could be over on that far side. Keep watching any that was the bottom, but any unnatural movement at all, you just need to strike. Okay. And again, right, see how effective this method is? Upstream nymphing. Honestly, when I was learning to fish, this method, it actually transformed my fishing. Isn't that a pretty looking fish with the red spots there? Check him back. Okay, see if we can get another one. You see this area here, this kind of like steady flow, foam line. This is exactly what you're looking for. Not too fast, not too slow, especially this time of year when it's like early on in the season. This is exactly what you want, because later in the summer the fish will be at the top of the pool in that really fast stuff. Right now, this slightly slower water is what you're after. Just chuck it in there, not fishing that much of a long line, keeping in touch with the flies. Okay. Keep making our way up this pool. It's a nice cast, turned over nicely. Nothing that time. Keep making our way up. There we go. I think the fly is just dragging on the bottom a little bit then, but that's okay. Exactly where we want it. Exactly where we want it. You see how there's this current coming into the side here? We kind of want our fly to drift naturally down through the main part of the stream. Oh God, it's got caught the bottom. Yeah, but we kind of want our fly to drift naturally down the stream. So if we then chuck in a mend there, keep it flowing down here. There we go. Nice little mend, aerial mend there. Keep the line drifting down. So like dry fly fishing, you do kind of want to be conscious of drag and have your nymph drifting down the river looking as natural as possible. So that means just being aware of the current and making sure your fly doesn't get pulled off course. That's why I often like fishing short lines is good, because you can just kind of control things a lot better there. Okay, nothing. See, I get the impression that it might be a bit deeper here in front of me. So I could think about changing fly just to get down a little bit more. That could be a good idea. Okay. Might go for the fly change. Okay, so we've gone for a fly change. We've gone up a size. It's size 14. The bead's a bit bigger as well. Little pink tag. The water is a touch coloured, so that should also help. But yeah, I'm kind of convinced there must be fish. I'm convinced there must be fish down here. So, and it does look to be a lot deeper. So hopefully this fly change will do the job. It's quite a heavy fly, so we're just fishing it quite short. Oh, Don't you love it when a plan comes together? First cast. Oof, good fish as well. Really nice fish, especially for this small little stream. See, it's all wild trout here. Oh no! Oh, he came off. Ah, God, that's gutting. That was due to a hook pull. Maybe I was playing him a little bit hard there. God, that's so annoying. That is actually so annoying. Why did that have to happen? Well, I guess that's fishing, not catching. Go for a slightly longer cast now. Slightly longer cast again. Oh, I'm really gutted I lost that fish. That was a nice fish, that was. Oh, you can't catch them all though, I guess.